What up, folks? I'm Ned from Stack Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. So we're checking out Popular Mechanics 1970. It's interesting to see what mechanics and society was like back in the day. Miller Lite having three ways: the American way, the right way. Forget to try the Devil's Triangle. Check this one out, guys. A state trooper who's actually Iron Man's cousin. He's an S&M. He loves wearing masks. And touching tires, he licks that tire, as one would lick a boot. Metal detector's a great way to waste some time and find some pennies on the beach. Look at this wild river run. Somehow it has something to do with spark plugs. Okay. Using hot blondes to sell everything. Legit though, that shot would not work at all if she had dark hair. You can't even see her face, you just gotta imagine she's pretty. Holy hell, that damn thing is almost a houseboat. I want one. Jeez, that'd be a lot of fun. That doesn't look like the kind of thing that'd be easy to get back into if everyone had jumped off. If I move my hand, this video gets demonetized. That's how bad it is. The face in the Mustang window. I was just a bit worried that I wasn't going to get any retrofuturism shots in this, but this is the retrofuturism art. Very nice, very nice. Oh good, she was saved. Oh wow, that seems like a really good way to die. Remember Sonny Bono got hit by a tree? You know, if we had an escape plan like this over here, you know that the kids would take it just for the fun of it. Christ, that would suck. I keep hearing about these roads to hell that are right in the middle of the ocean where like an orca or something just takes out your boat and you're screwed. Imagine a piece of lightning hitting your boat. Geez, I wonder if it could start a fire. Put magnets on your eyes to help you keep those dang things open. Lay in bed all day with TV. Oh, that looks like some fun. What's all this then? Build a turtle boat. That sounds like a lot of fun, like legit. And they show you how to build this stuff? Man, we need more of this kind of stuff these days. Post 2000 American trucks are the frickin' best. With that thing, you could drive right into hell, hit Satan in the grill, drive up over his arse, and be home for supper. I love these old trucks that don't have computers in them. Like, I'm all about computers, but like computers, you gotta stay in your lane. Vehicles, you stay in your lane. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, have a good one. Take care of each other. Catch you later.